Let's take this very simple example to understand what is the inner class in Java. So for example, in this case, we have created one class that is outer class, and the outer class have one private field message, so hello from the outer class. So what we do here inside of that class, we are creating one more class. It's called the inner class, right? So we are creating inner class, and we have a one method, and in the method we are just printing whatever the message we have in the outer class. So what is the advantages of the inner class, right? Inner class can see that the fields of the outer class, private fields of the outer class. So for example, in this case, what we can do is the message is reachable for the inner class. The field message is reachable for the inner class. So what we do is we are just printing that message. So whatever field is there, right? So how we can create the object out of this class? The way we do that, first we need to, if it's a non-static inner class, so what we do is first we are creating the outer class, and then after that we are creating the inner class, and then we are creating the inner class, and then we can run whatever method we have in the inner class. So for example, let's run it here, right? As you can see here, we receive a message hello from the outer class. So we run the method that is in the inner class, and we took the field, the private field that we have in the outer class. So what if we don't want to create an object here, right? Well, what if we don't want to create the outer object? So in that case, so what we do is, let's go to another example, which is the outer class one. So here, if we don't want to create, then we make the inner class static. So in this case, if we make it static, so what we can do is, for the same operation that we did earlier, right? So what we do is we are creating here only one object, right? Here we are creating an object for the inner class. So we are creating an object and calling that method. So let's test it. Yeah, it works as expected.